Great morning, everyone.
Great morning, teacher.
Today we are going to learn about parts of flower. In our NCRT 7th science textbook, we have studied that a flower has two reproductive parts. First one is male reproductive part and second one is female reproductive part. The name of the male reproductive part is stamen and the name of the female reproductive part is pistil. So let's see what is pistil and what is stamen with the help of this real flower. This part of the flower is pedicel. What it? This small leaf-like structure is apicalyx. What is this? This is apicalyx. And this sepals, we call these sepals are calyx. Got it? And we know very well that these are petals of the flower. After removing all the petals, we have this. And what is this? You can now clearly see stamen. This whole part of the flower is stamen. And this red structure, this is pistil of the flower. Okay? And this yellow part is anther. And you can see thread-like structure, small thread-like structure in this. These are filament. These are filament. After removing stamen, we can clearly see pistil of the flower. This part of the flower is pistil. And we know that pistil have further three parts. Okay? Stigma. This part of the flower is stigma. This part of the flower is style. And this part of the flower is ovary. And this whole part is pistil. And this whole part is stamen. And we know that stamen have further two parts, filament and anther. So in this yellow part is anther and this thread-like structure is filament. Again repeat, this part of the flower is pedicel, this part of the flower is apicalyx and this sepal-like structure is calyx and this yellow structure is anther. This whole part is stamen and this is filament, thread-like structure is filament. This whole part is pistil and pistil is the female reproductive part of flower and pistil contains stigma, style and ovary. Thank you. Have a nice day.